Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Area Group presenting console-based catalog system, and I am Nur Izzah Amira binti Ibrahim. My group mates are Nur Ayuni binti Abdul Aziz, Roshini anak perempuan Mahindran, and Nurul Izzati binti Harudin. I would like to present backend.java. Here the public class backend dealing with files, catalog option, and multimedia option. Here the method to check if input is valid. Private static boolean is valid input. And here the method to show main menu. The system will print in what a user need to do. First option is add catalog, and second option is search catalog. If the input was 1, the system will call the class add catalog. And if the input was 2, the system will call the class search cat. And Q, system will print out thank you and exit from the system. And if the input was saved, the system will save the work from user, the input from user. And here the method to show adding catalog. User must input catalog name on the add catalog screen. The catalog name will be uploaded to the system, and if it's successful, the system will display a successful, and if not, cannot add catalog. And user will send to the main menu back. And here the method to search catalog. First, user must enter the catalog name, and the system will look for the catalog and notify the user if it is discovered, which is catalog found. And from there, user have 5 options to do with that. With whether first input was multimedia option, second edit catalog, third delete catalog, 4 view catalog info, 5 main menu, and save work. So here the while loop function, and so if the input was 1, the system will call the class name multimedia menu, and if the input was 2, edit catalog, delete catalog, view catalog, and main menu, and also save. And else the system will print in catalog not found. And here the method to show editing a catalog. Edit a catalog. User can edit and enter new name of the catalog, and if there's same name, system will print in the name exists, and please enter the new name. And if next, the method to show deleting catalog. The system will print in, are you sure want you delete this catalog? If user need to the input from user is Y or N. Y or N. If the user input was Y, the system will delete the catalog name and display the successful message. And if else, system will print the error message. And if the input was N, the system will return to the main menu, which is back to search catalog class. And here the method to show view a catalog. User can view the catalog they are edit or add before. Next, from there, User can also method to show here the method to show multimedia menu. From multimedia menu, for multimedia option, there are several options, which is 1, 2, and 3 input. If 1 is add multimedia, second search multimedia, third and main menu, and also if the input was 1, the function will call class add multimedia. If input was 2, the function will call search multimedia class, and if the input was 3, the function will call main menu class back. And if else, if the Q was the input, the system will print in thank you and exit the system. And here the method to check if a string is an integer. And this is the method to show adding a multimedia. And here the method to searching for multimedia, class search multimedia. The class with edit multimedia and delete multimedia. And here the main method. That's it from me. Thank you.
I am Nur Minister Abdulaziz. I will continue to explain for coding catalog and multimedia. This is coding for catalog. Class catalog will implement with serial serializable. In this class has catalog method and have catalog name and multimedia list. For string get catalog name will return catalog name. For method list multimedia, to get multimedia list, we return this multimedia list. And for set catalog name, will this dot catalog name equal to ID. Same like set multimedia list. That's coding for catalog. And for coding multimedia, mm, this has class multimedia with implements with serializable, have private string name, integer multimedia ID, date creation date, string TF location, and string image location. TF will is text file of multimedia. And for method multimedia have same like private. The name equal to name, multimedia ID equal to ID, creation date equal to creation date, text file location equal to text file location, image location equal to image name. Then for public multimedia constructor, we return name of multimedia. This name. Next, get text file name. We return text file location. String get image name. We return name of image file in multimedia. Get multimedia ID. We return integer of multimedia ID. Public date get creation date. We return date multimedia was created. Public void set name return name of multimedia. Public set text file name will in this text name of or part of text file. Set creation date. This is for date of creation multimedia. Set image name. We set image name of image file. This is only that's all for coding, catalog, and multimedia.
Hello Doctor, today I'm going to show on how to edit the catalog for this programming. And first, I will add catalog. And let's say I just enter any random catalog name. I enter group 2. And here I will show on how to add the catalog. So we already added a catalog called group 2 and it already portrayed a statement called edit successfully. So after this, I will show on how to edit the catalog. To edit the catalog, we have to first search the catalog. So we can search for group 2. And here, this is our catalog and these are the options. And then we can edit. So we can change new name for the catalog. So let's say I change from group 2 to OOP group 2. And then they will portray the statement edited and currently it's already written to the search menu. So we can find the same catalog name again. And here this is for OOP group 2, the current one. And after that, we can view the catalog info. So here they already show about the catalog info, the details of the catalog and the name for it. And now, after viewing, we also can delete the catalog. So now, option 3 to delete the catalog. So they will ask us a confirmation question. So if yes, we just put Y. And here, after successfully deleting, they will portray successfully deleted and currently already returned to the main menu. So now OOP group 2 catalog is already deleted. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I am Nur Izzati bin Darudin and I am going to show a demo of how to search the catalog and of the multimedia and to manipulate the data in the multimedia. So first we need to search the catalog. Okay, so let's say I enter dress. It will say catalog not found. So let's say if I put shoe, then it will say catalog found because I have added shoe in the catalog. So I will show on how to manipulate the data in the multimedia. So first we enter the first option, which is multimedia options. In the multimedia options, there are 4 options, which are add multimedia, search multimedia, menu, and quick. And so first option is add multimedia. So I want to add something here, and it will say added, returning to multimedia menu. And then let's see if I want to add another multimedia. So the option is 1. And then I enter the name. And it will see the same thing. And then after that, if I want to search the multimedia, it will say here enter ID of multimedia to search. So let's say if I enter events, it will say please enter an ID. Okay, so since events is the first item that we entered, so the ID of events is 1. So if I enter 1, it will say ID found, and then I can edit the multimedia name or delete the multimedia. So let's say if I want to edit the multimedia name, I will choose 1, and then it will say enter new multimedia name. So I will change it to black vans. Okay, and it will say edited returning to multimedia menu. And then let's say if I want to delete the multimedia, I will need to search it first. And then let's say I want to delete the Converse. Converse is in the ID of Converse is 2. And then I will delete it. Press 2 for the option. And then it will say delete multimedia. It will say, are you sure you want to delete this multimedia? And then I will press Y for yes. And it will say successfully deleted, returning to main menu. So that's it for the demo of the multimedia manipulation from me. Thank you.